A yarn forward, also known as yarn over, is a technique that creates a hole in your knitting. It's used in lace knitting or to create an eyelet or a buttonhole. Since a yarn forward creates an extra stitch, it might be paired with a decrease. As you can see here in this row, we have done yarn forwards followed by knitting 2 together. Depending on the design, the decreases may be next to the yarn forward or somewhere else in the row. In this example, I'm doing a pattern of yarn forwards followed by knit 2 together to decrease. So, to do a yarn forward, bring the yarn from the back of your work forward in between the 2 needles and then go on with the next stitch, in this case a knit 2 together. And there you can see that I have created an extra loop which has made a pretty little hole. So let's do that again. Yarn forward in between the needles and knit 2 together. And again, yarn forward and knit 2 together. And by knitting 2 together each time I make a new stitch, make these loops, it means that we keep a consistent number of stitches on the needles. Yarn forward, knit 2 together.